Welcome to Milan Online tutorial. Before us is this question in physics that says 100 grams of liquid L1 at 78 degrees centigrade was mixed with X gram of liquid L2 at 50 degrees centigrade. Now the final temperature was 66 degrees centigrade. Given that the specific heat capacity of L2 is half that of L1, find the value of X, and we know that this X here is actually the mass of a liquid L2. All right, so let us quickly write out the parameters. For mass 1 we have 100, which is the same thing as 0.1 kilogram. Mass 2 is given as S gram. Okay, now the temperature for L1 is given as 78 degrees centigrade. For temperature 2, here we have 50. Okay, and the final temperature given as 66 degrees centigrade. Okay, and we know that from the question, the specific heat capacity of liquid 2 is half of liquid 1. Okay, so and we know in this case now the heat loss by liquid 1 will be the heat gain by liquid 2. So here we know that heat loss by liquid 1 equals to heat gain. Let me say heat loss by liquid 1 equals to heat gain by liquid 2. Okay. Alright, so implementing the formula, and we know that the quantity of heat is given as the product of the mass times specific capacity times the change in temperature. Alright, now implementing this into this, here we now have that M1 C1 78 minus the final temperature equals to M2 C2 times the final temperature minus 50. Alright, so our mass here is given as 0.1 C1 78 minus 66, which is the final temperature given, then X. Now here C2 here is given as it, which is C1 over 2, then 66 minus 50. All right, so in this case now here simplifying further, 0.1 C1. Now 78 minus 16 here will give us 12, then equals X C1 over 2. Now 66 minus 50 here should give us 6, and this one give us 1. Okay, 16. All right, in this case 2 here, 1, 2 here, 8, and this we cancel this, right? Okay, so we are left with 0.1 times 12 equals to X times 8. Okay, let me put it this way: 8x. So dividing both sides by 8. So our x here will now be, okay, this is 0.1 times 12 over 8. 2, 4 here, 2, 4 here, 3. All right. So which also this time they give us 0.3 over 2. All right, to disregard here we can now say this is 2 here, 1 here, we have 0.15. All right, so to disregard now, X here will now be 0.15 kilogram. All right, this is the final answer, final solution to this problem. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that will be uploading on this platform, both for physics, both chemistry and mathematics. Ensure you share this video so that others will learn. Thank you and God bless you.